Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss how to check a Facebook profile without creating an account on it. So without further delay, let's get started. You must keep in mind that you cannot view all the contents of a Facebook profile on any third-party things. And if an account is private, you cannot view any content of that. So let us see how you can view a public profile without creating an account. Go to Google and search the name of the person whose profile you want to check. Like here I am searching Selena Gomez profile. Click on the first option. Here you can see the Selena Gomez page has been loaded. This page is showing in the browser. This was the first method. For the second method, you need to close this and head over to the Google Chrome or any of the browser installed on your phone. Go to Google Chrome and in the search box type the link of Facebook website along with the username whose profile you want to view. Here you can see the profile page has been opened. So this was the second method. For the third method, you need to close this thing and head over to Google. Search social searcher. Click on the first option. Click on users. Now enter the name of user whose profile you want to check on Facebook. Like here I'm entering Selena Gomez. Here you'll get all the accounts related to Selena Gomez name, whether it is on LinkedIn, Instagram or whatever. Here you can see all the related accounts from all platforms. As we have to just search the Facebook account, you need to select only Facebook option and deselect all other option. You can see these are the accounts that has been created on Facebook related to the name Selena Gomez. Click on any one of it to check its functioning. Here you can see it has opened the page in the browser. So this was the third method. Through this method you can see anyone's profile on Facebook without them knowing. So these were the three methods with the help of which you can check anyone's profile on Facebook without creating an account on it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.